Hey gang, Poppy here. This is Anybody Can Be a Star on YouTube for July 11th in the year of perfect vision. In the past, I've spoken about the value of group activities, contests amongst YouTube posters. Do this. You all post a video of doing it. Someone wins something, right? Contests, or just playing group activities. Even if you're not competing, you're just posting to have fun. Those are some of the best ones, like Coat Hanger 2020. That was strictly for fun. And we had fun. I know. I did. Anyway, tonight's topic is watching YouTube. Well, I don't have time to watch YouTube. I'm creating. Really? Seriously? Well, your current video is oozing along at the kilobit. You can't go to another tab and look at me. Yes, I'm especially pushing my videos because I need views. Duh. Anyway, watch other tubers. I mean, if you're working metal, watch the other metal workers. Woodworker, watch the other woodworkers. I don't know. Whatever you do, watch the other people's videos of doing that. Why? Well, one, let's say you want to be unique, do something no one else is doing. How are you going to do that unless you know what they're doing so that you can't do that? Yeah, Or, what if you want to know what's hot? What are all the machinists doing this month? Well, you gotta watch the machinists on YouTube to see what they're all doing this month. I personally will often watch other tubers' videos to steal gather inspiration. Yes, I deliberately said it that way. Hey, I'll admit it. Someone's got a good idea. I'll grab it and run like a thief. Anyway. Wow. Anyway, earlier today, I was watching Adam Booth's latest. He was shaping 24-inch tooling plate he got from Fireball Tool with rough castings. And since I'm working on caliper attachments at the moment, the first one is ready for the next video to shoot as soon as I get out to the shop. Anyway, he was working with 24-inch veneers measuring 24-inch length of this plate, and he commented he wished he had something to hold a certain depth into the jaws and no farther. Light bulb time. So I've got my large diameter hole measuring attachment, bolt on and clamp on. Now here is ones to keep the jaws from going too far, so you only need 2 hands instead of 5. And that brings it up to 4, right? No, that's 3. That's 3. 4 Remember when calipers had a fine adjustment screw? Of course, they called them verniers there, verniers, vernier, all kinds of mispronunciations. Anyway, they always had a fine adjusting screw. People started making dial calipers. Those fine adjusting screws went the way of the purple goose at warp 9, didn't they? That's sad. Because that little wheel, that was sort of okay, but not as nice as the fine adjusting screw. And now with digital, all you got is bumps. You know, to grab your thumb and you... No. So I was going to make a fine adjusting screw attachment for one or two of my pairs of calipers. I think my Mitu Toyos may be interchangeable. Semi. What to make them out of? I mean, I got white Delrin, plenty of white Delrin. Durable, won't mar the calipers unless dirt gets between them or embedded in the Delrin and starts scratching. But if you let your calipers get that dirty, yeah. I got aluminum for, you know, I got 6061. I got some scraptonium steel. Of course, if I do it in steel, I'm going to order some good stuff. Or see if I can beg some other tuber with shipping me a drop. You know. Yeah, I got a 4-inch piece of that crap. What's your address? Hold my breath. Yeah, I know. I can hear you all the way out there already. Is that holding my breath long enough? $7.51. Wow. I was watching a video earlier today. Guy talking about a change is coming to YouTube, or may have already happened. They're gonna start putting the little ads in the middle of your video across the picture if you're eligible for monetization in any way, shape, or form. If they can get someone to put one of them little, they'll put it there. I know. Some people say, hey, great, more money for me. And some people say, oh shit, now they're going to have that ad across my video and people are going to hate me, think I'm getting money. Oh, I am? Well, I still hate it. How much? Oh, yeah? Yeah, I know. Get out the sketchbook. Okay. The clamp on of my large hole attachment for calipers. Clamp on sort of like so. I'm thinking that I could extend this jaw length. You know, this circle is actually set right on center line. But, you know, need to circle there to show you the general idea. That's where a circle sort of will be. Here's the clamp-ons. Just it. One view, the ditch, one end, and of course, you know, indications where the screws be. And of course, this again, it's right on parting line, not sticking over. Unless you don't want to use this surface as an extension of the jaw length, and you just want the interior measuring, in which case you could have that sticking out. Anyway, I was watching Adam's vid, and at first I thought of this, you know, the jaw goes through here, clamp it up. This keeps it from going too deep, but this end, that's too much. All I really need is I got into the perforation. That's why it wouldn't go straight. Okay. Need okay. These of course would be even. And down here, I don't really want these two stress risers. There we go. Okay, now I don't want these two stress risers here, so I'm thinking drill two holes where the lines intersect. Actually thinking drilling holes on the corner this time. And of course I've got the screw through here for clamping. Make two of these. And they clamp on like, no, not down there, up here. Hey, it's summertime, I'm 64, ain't no one sending me a bottle of wine. Anyway. And on this side, Poppy, on this side. And of course you get your screws. Well, now you can get your length and your caliper doesn't go. You've got these clamped on, they're equal length from there. If you can't figure out something to do with gauge block or gauge pin to make sure that they're at the same length, I'll have to make a video on doing that when I make this. Anyway, that is the idea of watching Adam Booth's machining that 24-inch tooling plate today gave me. The importance of watching other tubers. Now, this was a pure inspiration because he just had the problem and now I'm going to make a fix for it. 15 minutes. Wow, I'm definitely into the little strip ad across my video. So, and I've run out of good stuff to say. Yeah. So, good night from California.